Hi friends, this is Sujata Sriram from Visakhapatnam. Recently we visited London during winter months and Christmas decorations we have seen and enjoyed like anything. Here we are presenting about the places we visited in London. Hope you also enjoy that journey. During winter season, the daylight duration is very low and it is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. It will be very cold. So during winters, you can really enjoy that coldness. Occasional fall of snowflakes here and there. And the drizzle is almost there regularly. Most of the time we visited during summers. So in London, during summer season, varieties of flowers almost in all the places. But during winter, there is fabulous lighting decoration at all major places in London due to, the arrival of Christmas. Particularly Piccadilly Circus, Oxford Street, Bond Street, Trafalgar Square, Sloane Square, Tower Bridge, King's Cross, Battersea, and almost all the major places and malls. You can see the beautiful decorations of light and the Christmas Eve. Here you can see the beautiful decorations of the lights at Covent Garden, Market and King's Cross. Like this, almost all major places they glow with lights. And at some places there are ice skating rinks as well. As it is cold winter, they present that ice skating rinks. There are huge decorations in and around King's Cross railway station, as you have seen some examples. Special shops for eateries and Xmas decorations items were established for Christmas. Even the big shopping malls like Harrods, John Lewis, M&S, Westfields, all these have huge special counters for Xmas items. Piccadilly Circus and Oxford Streets, the beauty cannot be expressed. You can see the lighting on the streets and near the shops and in the shops also. There are wide variety of decorations and the streets are beautifully decorated with different patterns of lights. As told earlier, the decorations are seen in the shopping areas as well, and this Burlington Arcade and the shops in nearby all the roads are very beautifully decorated with lights. In between the night visits and the lighting beauties, we managed to visit this Hampton Court Palace. It was very beautiful palace and the gardens were very special. So people, they just go and visit these places at the assigned dates. It's on the river bank of Thames. A must visit palace. You name it, you go to any corner during Christmas time in London. You enjoy the food, you enjoy the lights, you enjoy the things. So the shops are specially meant for Christmas tree decoration. So all the major areas you can see these eatery shops and the item shops. Not only the major areas or junctions, there are the places, the outskirts places like Teddington, Kingston, Richmond. You can really see the beauty of those places because of the lighting and the shops completely filled with decorative items for Christmas Eve. The major shopping malls like Fortnum Mason, Harrods, Westfield, John Lewis, all the shopping malls, they're like a eye feast. You can really enjoy watching those things in the shops, and it is worth seeing. Now, if we shift from lighting to nature, you know, the beauty of nature you can't express in words. Here, like the Bushy Park near Teddington and Kingston and Richmond, there are so many natural things to enjoy. Especially in Teddington, the Bushy Park is really, it attracts everyone with the beautiful deers and the green grasses. At the same time, the during the winter, the leaf color changes. So the color change also we can see, and water bodies in and here nearby we can see. So it's really worth to see all those places. And the deers, when you see, you feel like not moving from the place. And most of the time we keep listening the fall colors that we see and enjoy now in this. See the winter colors of trees in Bushy Park. I was really thrilled and enjoyed like anything. And the water streams and the leaf colors, they just make us feel that we are in heaven. We waited for this. The foggy day at Thames River near Teddington, we loved the journey. We walked. And I got reminded of Road Not Taken poem by Robert Frost. The roads are so beautiful with the adjacent river bank and the river flowing on one side and the grasses on the other side, and the misty, foggy, the day really makes us feel we are in somewhere. And this, I would like to explain about the Tower Bridge and Shakespeare Globe Theatre. We visited. There are no special decorations for these things, but the eateries and the shops were very well decorated in those areas, especially in Tower Bridge area. We also visited Richmond area and spent some time near the riverbank of Thames, and we enjoyed the sunset, so colorful, and the hues, the colors were really beautiful to look at, and the water body, and my dear friends, you can see the animals, those who have come close to us, and my boys. It's a beautiful moment to cherish. We also visited Victoria and Albert Museum. It took almost 2 to 3 hours to visit the museum. It was so beautiful, lot of information and things to observe and see the historical things. And then we walked to the shopping mall, Harrods shopping mall in between. And then we have seen the beautiful decorations in the shopping mall, Harrods shopping mall. It's a very famous shopping mall in London. And the surroundings were also beautifully decorated with the lights. And we enjoyed chai wala's chai also. In London, almost all the areas, every area, they have their specific dates for celebration of Christmas events. So eventually, when we were there in Teddington, it happened so coincidentally on November 28th, Thursday, that Christmas fair we have gone. The beauty is they announced it earlier, and they just revealed the facts, like they won't allow the traffic and these are the timings, all those things they have given. And before, 1 week before, I've seen how the decorations they started slowly day by day, and it's particularly a planned event, informed everyone. Especially even we received a letter from the local municipality that they are going to conduct this. So the judge just gave information, and the fair was so beautiful. We enjoyed that, and they gave free food also, and almost every shop they decorated so well, and they served free food to some extent, and even the Christmas, the real Christmas, I enjoyed with my beautiful and lovely Santa, and there is a small procession they carried on, and we also enjoyed that. As I mentioned earlier, like the celebration events of Christmas, how they announced in the same way, they've informed the dates of the beginning of the lights of the Christmas decorations. We have shown one exemplary photo also. So and so date they start the lights, so they give prior information to all the people so that everybody can have their own a convenient time to visit that place. And not only that, all the shops were decorated so well. You know, Battersea Park, you can see the beautiful Christmas decorations, and even King's Cross, and even the skating rings were arranged at Battersea and Hampton Court. You know, in the first pick, it's a station, Teddington station, my favorite place. The serenity of the station got reminded me of Ruskin Bond's Shimla station. A beautiful, a cozy place for travel or for anything. Sit on a wait. You really never get bored of sitting there. And in the second pic, there are some trees shown. Actually, to my surprise, there is an orderly preparation for celebration and orderly preparation for after celebration also. I think they collect the same. My son told me about it. So the Christmas trees, the original trees they sell, the cost ranges from 40 to 90 GBP. And after the Christmas, I was told, again they inform the date. That date they collect all the trees back, and they eventually clear it off, it seems. So planned way they celebrate the celebration, at the same time they enjoy that celebration and the clearance of that celebration festival things also. Everything is a planned event, and they enjoy doing it with lot of aesthetic sense and lot of interest. I've seen they enjoy. Everybody, they will have their own traditions and culture. The way they respect their culture and tradition, the way they enjoy that, I really enjoyed it. It's a beautiful memory for us to travel during Christmas, London. A wonderful experience. I have to thank my husband and son for this beautiful, beautiful journey. This is only one example. You can see how the Christmas tree gets the light. You know, my happiness you can see. So the lighting, it radiates like anything. I felt it is the joy and the love and the peace that God has sent all over the universe. Any celebration is for sharing and caring, and to love and respect everyone. This is the best moment in anybody's life, especially for us. And I felt so happy and felt gratitude for visiting London, especially during Christmas time, before Christmas time. Merry Christmas and enjoy the journey. We'll catch you up again with one more beautiful video. This is done by the entire compilation is done by Dr. Sriram. And I immensely thank all of you for supporting and encouraging us to do many more of this sort. Love you all. Namaste.